welcome to the Shelley Studio. Today I am working on my Scavenger Hunt journal. This is the Scavenger Hunt 2025 by Jana M. Young. Her link will be in the description box below. She has done a scavenger hunt for I don't know how many years. This is my second year doing it. And it's 100 things that you have to include in your junk journal. There's no real rules, just, interpret it in your own way and do all 100 prompts. And you can interpret them however you want to do it. So I've been rolling the dice and taking the prompts that come up from rolling the dice and putting them together on a page. So this is page 4, and it's a purple and teal page, your initials, washi tape, and a wild card. And for the wild card, I did marker. So this is my washi tape. It's not as purple as my marker is going to be, but yeah, that's the one I went for. I did have something else that was more purple, but I kind of liked I think those are feathers or leaves. I think they're feathers, and they go with my bird theme, right? So my theme is birds, so the bird has to go on there. And I fussy cut that out of my book that I got from the thrift store that has all these songbirds. Loving that book. I've had it for a couple years and haven't touched it. So that's kind of why I decided birds was going to be my theme. So I would use my birds. So that's my initials. MS. That's for Margelle Shelley. In case you didn't know, my first name was Margelle. Last name Shelley. And I'm just using a Jelly Roll pen in white to outline it so it shows up against the teal. And some areas get thicker, some get messy. That's just how it happens, I'll just thicken up some other areas just to make it sort of balance. All right, so I have to connect these in some way. Well, first let's glue the bird on. So this page is actually a really simple page. But I like how it turns out. Oh yes, and that's my glitter glue that I'm using. I love the fine tip on there, so I use it a lot. I have another one too. It's called Barely Arts glue, and it has a fine tip as well. If you don't want it to grip too fast, that's the one to go with because it doesn't grip as fast. And I decided I would have streamers coming down from the bird's talons. Feet. I don't know. Are they talons if it's not a bird of prey? How does that work? And I'm just using my Sharpie paint pen. So I think in one of my recent videos, I commented that we all want Sharpie to make more colors. Well, they have another set. It's called Earth Tones. I don't have it yet, but I have ordered it. I'm so excited to get another set of markers. Not that I use a ton, but they're just so fun. I want to. Oh, and hashtag not sponsored, but I really like how you don't have to prime them like the Poscas. We'll see how long they last. And again, outlining it with the white Jelly Roll. I'm constantly still trying different white pens to get the ones that I want, that I'm hoping will work. Sometimes they just stop. See, just like that. It just stops flowing. Does Foodball make a white pen? Because Foodball it's a black pen and it will write on anything. I don't know that that's the brand. I'm not quite sure. Oh, here I've gotten out my thicker white. This is my white Sharpie. It's a bullet tip, so it's a lot thicker. I think I just do it on the wider ribbon. Streamers ribbon, whatever it is that's coming down from the bird. And really, just messing around with it, this page is done. I do have a second one on this video today because otherwise it would be really short. Hope you don't mind. But yeah, I mean, when you have such fun birds, like it just makes the page for you. I was just checking, make sure I had it all. Oh, I did a few splatters. I guess I didn't show that. Or is that the paper itself? I don't remember. Like, was it white there before? All right, so page 5, it was ephemera, things in glass, gratitude, and bingo card. So I had a bingo card in one of my regular journals. So I photocopied it and tore it out of the photocopy. And yeah, there's my bingo card. I did put a little bit of, I think that is scorched timber. And the ephemera, this is a play ticket to a Shakespeare play. And I had scorched timber on there. I had to cut off part of it so the ticket would fit. So the location is gone now, but it's okay. All right, and then things in glass was another one of the prompts. So we've got, I don't know, what is that a martini? I don't know. It's a tropical drink, and I've got a little bird here that's going to be sitting on the glass. I just have to cut his feet a little bit so that they can be going over the rim of the glass. And I'm just using a blade to do that. It's not perfect, and I'm sorry, I'm way down there on the screen. Hard to fit everything in on screen. All right. And I'm dealing with that. That glass is a sticker. But it's... I saw some lady she recommended making wax paper pages and then putting your stickers on those to store them, which I really like the concept, but maybe my wax paper is not waxy enough. Most of them lost their stick. Some of them, I had to tear them out of the book. Anyway, it was a nice idea. But now I glue all my stickers in because they don't have much stick left. Okay, and there was, gratitude was on that. So I found a quote, just a short quote from Shakespeare, because that was a Shakespeare ticket. Not the same play, because I couldn't find one in that play, but for gratitude. And it says, "Thanks, sir. All the rest is mute." And I do write that on there eventually here. I'm just going around with a colored pencil and adding a little bit of shading. Works better on the paint than it does on the ticket. That ticket's a little bit glossy, so it doesn't take the pencil as well. But just trying to be subtle, not overly, not overdo it. All right. Yeah, so thanks, sir. All the rest is mute. Gratitude is saying thanks, right? WS for William Shakespeare. All right, so that is the last one there, I think. What am I doing? Oh, I decided I wanted to put some paint down there on the bottom, because I just didn't like the white, I guess. And I put this green, and it's like so the wrong green. So I come back and I get, so that gel print was pulled with, I think it had like a black iridescent and then a green. And so it kind of muddled the colors together. So I am taking Color Shift in black and going over the top of it. I'm kind of hoping that will look better. Well, I guess it can kind of look like a table for the drink. I decided I needed to do better and create like a horizon line or a table line. And I come in with Payne's Gray, with gray from Faber-Castell Pitt Artist Brush Pen, and just go in there. I didn't want to like make it all black, so that's why I'm doing that. I felt like it wasn't quite as harsh that way. And then just highlighting the edge. All right. I think, am I done? Oh, no, I'm not done. I decide, and yeah, I'm not sure this was a good idea, to go around and shade around the bird with my gray marker, but it doesn't blend on paper like it blends on paint. And it's making harsher shadows. So we have some shadows. I forgot I did that. Yeah, I do like using it to create shadow shading. If you're doing it on top of a painted surface, because you can blend it with your finger and blend it out. But on paper, it does not fade out. So anyway, there was page 5. What do you think? I don't know. With the 100 prompts, you can get pretty random stuff combined together. But it is fun. It's a fun challenge. I hope you take it up. I'd like to thank you for watching, and I hope you have an awesome day.